Okay, so in class we have been discussing the number 43. So today I wanted to show you two different ways on how we can count to the number 43. So the first way is what's called our 10 frame. So we're going to use our 10 frames to help us to get to the number 43. So let's look at our tens value spot. How many 10 longs do we need in our tens place? 4. So then we're going to look at our 10 frame, and each 10 frame equals, 10 squares. So if we have 4 that we have in our tens place, then we are going to need 4 10 frames. But then we look here in our ones, and we have 3 ones. So what we're going to do is we are going to use these cereals of Captain Crunch, Peanut Butter Crunch, to count to 43 using our 10 frame. So we said we were going to have 4 of these because there's 4 in our tens place. So let's go ahead and fill up 4 of our 10 frames. So there's 10. Let's fill up the next 10. So that's 20. We do the next 10 frame. That'll be 30. And then our last 10 frame that we're going to fill up, which is going to equal 40, because we have 4 in our tens place. But then we have 3 more because we have 3 in our ones place. So we're going to put this in the next 10 frame, but we're only going to fill up 3 spaces. 1, 2, and 3. So this is one way that we can look at to help us when we're counting to the number 43. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 3 more, which is 43. So that is one way we can use it to count to the number 43. Now the next way I wanted to show you for counting to the number 43 is by us using a hundreds chart. So if we look here, we have the numbers 1 to 100, and we are wanting to get to the number 43. So what I want us to do with this hundreds chart is skip count by our 2's, or skip count by 2's, not by our 2's, but skip count by 2's to get to the number 43. So to do that, we're going to use the cereal again. You go 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, and 43. So this is another way that you can use to help you in counting from to the number 43. You can skip count by twos using this 100s chart, or you can actually just count it from 1 to 43. There's many different ways you can use the 100s chart. So we have learned how to count to the number 43 by skip counting by twos using the hundreds chart. And we also were able to count to the number 43 by using what's called a tens chart. I mean, sorry, not tens chart, a 10 frame.